In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get instant emails and alerts in Trello whenever changes occur, ensuring that you're always up to date with your projects. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll find the login button. Well, it might be towards the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button to take you to the login page. It's important you use the correct credentials here, so either enter your email address and password or choose the option to log in using your Google account if that's more convenient for you. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello boards. From here, head to the boards section. You'll find all your workspaces organized there. Within your workspaces, select the specific board you want to receive notifications for. It might be a good idea to ensure you are on the right board to avoid unnecessary alerts from projects you're not currently focusing on. Once you are on the desired board, it's time to access your account settings. Move your cursor to the upper right corner of the window where your account icon is located and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu you'll want to select the Settings option. In the Settings menu you should see a section labelled Email Notifications. This is where you'll tailor how and when you receive updates. Pay attention to the settings here, it's crucial for receiving timely information. Click on the Change Frequency button under the Email Notifications section. Here you'll be presented with different frequency options for receiving emails. To ensure you get instant updates, click on the option labelled Instantly. Selecting this ensures that whenever something changes on your board, you'll be alerted via email right away. Finally, to ensure that you're covering all bases, select the Select All option, which will apply these instant notification settings to all activities across your boards. By following these steps, you're ensuring that you're always on top of things happening in your Trello boards, whether it's a new card being added, a checklist item being checked off, or a member commenting on a card. You won't miss any important updates. Increasing your responsiveness and efficiency, receiving these instant alerts allows you to manage your projects seamlessly. That's it! You're now set up to receive instant email alerts for any changes that occur in your Trello boards. By configuring these settings, you're taking a proactive step in staying organized and informed. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. See you next time.